Hi, welcome back to my channel, Our Anxiety. Another day living with my anxiety. If you have not subscribed to my channel, I request please subscribe to my channel. Also, please share this video to someone whom you know that who is suffering from the anxiety and looking for genuine help. Okay, because my only goal is to spread awareness on the anxiety, panic attacks, any mental issues, because people are waiting for the help. Well, so today I wanted to ask one questions to everybody who is watching this video. How many of you are ashamed of your own anxiety and panic attacks? Just tell me in the comment section. Because even I was ashamed of my own anxiety, my own panic attack, thinking that, oh my god, what I am going through, I'm not able to understand what is this, what people might think. That was a biggest question when this started. For 2 3 months I was thinking only that, like, what people will think. People might judge me thinking that I am weak, I am dramatic, or I am lazy, right? They can label me anything. So I was thinking that way, what they will think. But to be honest, being an anxiety sufferer, we shouldn't be ashamed of our own anxiety. Anxiety is not our identity, right? So we have our own identity, but for time being our nervous system has just gone out of track, or you can say it's just overwhelmed, and it just needs the care. Okay, so that's it. Other than that, we are doing good and we are very healthy, we are not weak, we are not doing any drama here, right? So I saw people, they don't want to share their problem, they don't want to talk to anybody. Okay, so if we do like this, then that will somewhere create that loneliness. Okay, you will be very silent. If you do this, you will be scared to talk to people also. So what I suggest here is, like, even though you are going through the problems, just share with somebody. Okay, explain what is happening. See, some people might not find right person, because it happens. Even I also had that issue initially. They didn't understand what I am trying to say, but now they know what it is and they are supporting me. Okay, so if you are somebody who really needs help, just message me. I have a Instagram, you can go there and you can personally message me, or else you can comment here. Okay, just share how it is going on, and whatever I know I can help from my side also. So don't be ashamed of your own anxiety. Express yourself, express your problems. This is just a time being. Okay, and healing will start when we stop fighting it. That means we shouldn't be thinking of anxiety. Because of anxiety we shouldn't change ourselves. Be yourself and anxiety will go away. Share this video to that person who needs help and who is suffering from the anxiety, panic attacks, and looking for someone to share their thoughts, problems. Okay, I hope this video reaches to that genuine person who is really looking for a help. This is just like a broken leg. Okay, say for now our leg has broken, and we have to take the help from others, because the leg needs that care. The same way our nervous system is broken currently, it will take its own time to heal. There is nothing to be ashamed to ask for the help. Consider this as a broken leg and you are asking for help. Okay, so it's the same way, and instead of a leg, it's a nervous system. That's it. Okay, I hope you guys are understanding what I am trying to say here, and this is all live experience I am sharing here. How my life is going on, how I am living with my anxiety, what are the things I am trying, everything I am sharing. Please support me and please share this video to someone whom you know that person needs real help. Okay, thank you for watching my video. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.